You cannot do well without video editing skill on a content creator journey. Even though you have a quality camera, you have a mic, you have a necessary item for your content creator, without video editing skill, there's no way you can do well on the journey. On this particular video, I'm going to take you to my screen to show you a tutorial how to edit that type of video. So if it is what you like to learn with me, do well by following my page and comment where you are watching me from, and don't forget to share this video for other people to learn too, because what you don't know is bigger than you, and the experience we share for each other is more valuable. You're going to open your InShoot, then you add new. You're going to bring a clip that you record. So how to record this type of video is this. First of all, you record one side, you stay one side, you leave a space in one particular space, and you are going to hold that sprayer, raise up your hand, you are going to spray it up down. Then as you spray it up down, you're going to cut it. So you can see where I'm cutting it. I'm split the video. Then I will split the video. That is the second clip. We are going to stay aside of that empty space, and you are going to record yourself again for some second. When you record yourself again, so we are adjusting in all those places that are moving. Make sure say your camera is on tripod. Don't shake your camera, don't shake the background. And when you do it, you are cut off that place. Then you want to take this one to overlay. This second clip, you are going to take it to overlay. So you drag it to the up. When you drag it to the up, you are going to look for cut out here, cut out. Then you put cut out. You can see the background has been removing, so that one has already started on its own. As it don't start on its own now, we are waiting for the cut out to complete. Don't complete. Okay, now let me adjust the first clip that is order. I wanted to adjust it so that it will not be short like that. You know, saying I see second here, so let add more on the thing. Let me click on this mark, then let me adjust it. Yeah, I think it's okay, right? Okay, we are going to go for the up, going for the overlay clip. Then we drag it to stand at least this, so that more space is going to be there. So where the main work is, this is where we are going to come in for now. So I'm going to drag this thing to where I start spray. Yeah, let me adjust it small. Then you adjust it small so you can see I have got this place. So what I'm going to do here now is this. I'm going to go and looking for I'm going to when I get this thing particularly, I'm going to looking for mask. This mask, I click on mask. I'm going to click on this line, this first one. Then you can see the line is cancelled. You drag this small square root arrow so that it can be fading the image small. So when I got this one, I'm going to click on mark. After I click, I'm going to click on mark. You see that key arrow, that triangle when face down, you click on the key. Then when you click it, I'm going to bring in the clip to the place where we say my hand is down. To the place where my hand is down, I'm going to drag it there. The place where my hand is down, like this place. Yes, this particular space now. So I'm going to click on marks again. I'm going to bring that line down. Then you click on good mark. Then let's play to see what I'm going to cut the rest the video, split it and delete. So let's see what we have here now. Then let's play the video. You can see we have it. That is how it's very simple. You can add any sound of your choice, any sound that you want. You can add it according to what you want. So guys, thank you for watching.